we are expected to find the value of the unknown digit m in the number 1m03 written to base 4, which is equal to 311 written in base 6. As we observe, the bases on both sides are different. We can also see that all the digits in the number on the right are known. So there are two approaches to this. We can convert both sides to base 10. I've done that in a solution in one of the videos. You can look for that and study it. We can also leave the expression on the left-hand side and convert the number on the right-hand side into base 4, and then match with the digits on the left. So let us do this second approach in this video. Straight off, let's get into the solution. Now we take 311, originally in base 6, and convert it straight away to base 10. This is by an expansion procedure. So let's go. We're going to have to write exponents on the digits. So we write 0, 1, 2 towards the left until we've exhausted the digits in the number. These figures represent the powers to which we're going to raise this base 6 in each of the units we're going to compute. So let's take the first digit. First digit is 3. So this is going to be taking 3, multiplying by the base, and the base is 6. And we raise this to the power of the number written on it, which is 2, plus the next digit. The next digit is 1. We're going to take 1, multiply it by the base 6, and raise it to the power of the digits on it, which is 1, plus the last digit, which is 1. We're also going to multiply by the base 6, and now raise to the power of the number written on the 1, which is 0. Now let us evaluate each of these units, starting from the area raised to the power. So 6 to the power 2 is 36. 36 multiplied by 3 is 108. Now plus 6 to the power 1, that's 6. 6 multiplied by 1 gives 6. And finally, 6 to the power 0 equals 1 according to the law of indices. Any number to the power 0 gives 1. So the 1 resulting multiplies 1 here to give us 1. Upon addition of these numbers, we get 108 plus 6, 114, 114 plus 1, 115. This number is now in base 10. The second phase of the solution, we're going to convert 115 in base 10 back to base 4 to match the left-hand side. So converting to base 4 is done by a long division process. And there is nothing really long about it. So we have 1, 1, 5, base 10. We want to convert this into the desired base 4. So let's go. 4 divides into 1 is not possible. So let us link up the second digit. 4 divides into 11. That gives us 2. The remaining 3. We place the 3 by the side of the 5, giving us 35. 4 divides into 35. That's 8. And now we have a remainder of 3. 4 continues to divide. 4 divides into 28. That's 7 times. This is a perfect division because now there is no remainder. Remainder 0. 4 divides into 7. That's 1. Now remainder 3. And now we attempt to divide more with 4. 4 divides into 1. It's not possible. So we write a 0. And now that 1 over there becomes our final remainder. The answer will be the combination of these digits written in reverse order from the bottom to the top. And therefore we have 1, 3, 0, 3 now in base 4. That's right, from the bottom to the top. Now, by matching the numbers, we now have 1M03 now in base 4 matches the new face of 311 base 6, and that is it. 1, 3, 03 also in base 4. Since the numbers are now written to the same base, then their equivalent digits are equal. The digit 1 matches the digit 1, as we have seen. So that is 1, it matches 1. That's right. 0 matches 0 right there in their respective or equivalent positions. 3 matches 3 over there. And now clearly we can see it. Our required digit M must match 3 by comparison. And therefore, in our final analysis, it implies that the unknown digit M is clearly known now as 3, our final answer. Very simple. So now you can compare this approach to the previous approach in one of my videos, and let me know your preferred approach in the comment section. All right. Now, attached to this video are 2 quizzes to test your understanding. So take the quizzes, solve the problems, and then click on your answers. And of course, you can study the solutions provided. Also attached to this video is the link in the pinned comment that takes you to the test on number basis. So you can check your mastery or your understanding of the topic number basis by taking the test. There are 30 questions to be solved in 30 minutes. So take the test. And finally, there is the link to the full presentation of the topic number basis in the pinned comment. So click on the link in the pinned comment to study the full video so that you understand the rudiments of the topic from beginning to the end. All right. Thank you for being part of this session. And of course, I expect to see you in my next video.